Why isn't every socket like this? This is the best idea in the world. I'm going to tell you something, stinking WORKPRO Tools has been just knocking it out of the park lately. This is a socket set, 3/8 socket set. It comes on an aluminum rail that you could screw to your wall or whatever if you wanted to. But the real cool thing here is the sockets themselves are not round. At least the outside of them aren't. They're hex shaped, so these things don't stink and roll off your bench if you drop one. They just hit the ground and stay put. In theory, you could, hold on here. Yeah, you could use these with a wrench as well. Isn't that interesting? So you could use them with a wrench as well as just using them with a regular socket driver. Socket driver, socket wrench. Anyway, yeah, so work on a regular socket wrench. That's great, but it's cool, man. I don't know. Is this not impressive? I think it is. What a cool idea, man. Overall, they have little beveled edges on them, like you'd expect. The chrome looks good. It's just a really great looking little socket set, and what a great idea where these don't fall off the bench. I'm thoroughly impressed.